Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can start Block Blast without blocks. So I need you to follow with me. So in case you have been playing this game for a while, you need to long press on the app and you need to go to the app information, and then you need to go to the storage and cache, and then I need to make sure that you clean storage. After you clean the storage, you can now start the game afresh. So I'm starting the game afresh. As you can see, you are given some few demos to familiarize yourself with the game.
Excellent.
As you can see here, you have clearly started the game without any blocks. So that is how it's done. So if you found this content useful, subscribe,